Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa. I hope you're all having a wonderful and creative day. And I thought I would just pop in with a quick haul from Ollies. Ollies, O-L-L-I-E-S, Ollies. I don't know why it sounds funny to me. I know not everybody has one in their area. I did stop in to see if they had any scrapbook papers. I've never really had much luck finding any by me. I see them still being found at, I'm guessing other states. But I just want to show you what I did find when I went in there. If you saw recently, I did pick up some watercolors. So I got like my palettes there. And I found these books. And I thought these would be great for these. Because the only watercolor that I had was this paper pad from Dollar Tree. And it has the really thick, very thick cards. I've made stuff with it. You probably saw that video when I did it. My cute little house thing. I still like that. Haven't played with it at all. But I thought these would be great. And they're not even necessarily meant for people who need to do watercolors. I thought it would be great find if you wanted to go look for them just for anything. It says that they are mixed media books for acrylic, watercolor, and sketch. But what I liked about them specifically, this first one is 9x6. So if you figure 9x6, this is a good one to use for actually pages in a journal. So if you wanted to, you know, draw something on them or stamp on them or, there it is, or use them to make master boards, they're sewn in. There's a string here. So these could easily be cut out and put into a journal because they'd be a full page. Or again, this would be a sketchbook, you know, for me to play with, etc. They're pretty thick. It's called, this one, the smaller ones that are 9x6 are called heavyweight. And they're pretty thick. So I think you could definitely use them for master boards, collage boards, something like that. Or you know, paint on them, stamp on them, and use them to put inside of a journal. And they have, this size was $3.49, 80 sheets. So quite a bit for 80 sheets and pretty good. So I ended up getting 2 of them because I like the size of that. And like I said, it'd be perfect to go into a journal. And when these are all empty or I pull them out, I could actually make this into a journal. So nice hardcover for that. So the second type I got was a little bit bigger. And this one was $3.99. They are 10.875, so like 11 inches by 8.5. So like a copy size. And again, this is the acrylic watercolor sketch. This is medium weight, so it is definitely more of a lighter paper. But again, it is sewn in, so you could pull the pages out. Of course, I cannot find the sewing for it. Not that you have to see it, but now that I've been looking for it, there we are. So it is sewn in. There's a string for it. So you could sew them in, cut it, and each of these pages would be able to get folded in half to put into a journal. Again, master board, or use them for stamping, etc. $3.99, also 80 sheets, but I thought that was a great deal for that. And last but not least, I got this watercolor pad. Is $3.49. They call it heavyweight. There's only 12 sheets in here. I wouldn't say it's necessarily, probably like my smaller one. It's definitely not as thick as this watercolor pad, which it does say it's heavyweight. 350 grams. This one has nothing on there. It just says what the weight is. Yeah, it doesn't have a weight on it. It just says, oh, 190 grams. So their heavyweight is 190, and this heavyweight is 350. So almost like half of it. Yeah, the black books don't have grams on them. But I thought this was a good size, nice and big. These are 9x12, so just a little bit bigger than the book. But I liked, for the price, $3.49. There was a whole bunch of these, but I only got one of them since there was just 12 sheets in them. But I thought this would be better if I actually wanted to, when I get better in the sketchbook that's got a lot of them, and I want to do something a little nicer, a little bigger, I could draw on that. So that is my haul. Nothing fancy, nothing earth-shattering. But again, I just wanted to let you guys know if anybody's in the area of Ollies. There was a whole bunch when I went there. I probably could have bought, 20 of each of these. So they probably were fairly new to the store that I had went to. And, oh, and I also found, I didn't buy any because I don't need it, but there was a whole bunch of new Cricut stuff. The cards, and they actually had cards on an end cap, like reading cards, which I have a whole bunch of those too, so I didn't get them. So I guess it's good to check there every once in a while. So I was kind of sad last time I went to both of them and I couldn't find anything, and I was like, oh, do I ever want to go again? But I am glad that I decided to stop in and take a look. So yeah, my Ollie's haul. All right, well, hopefully the next time you see these books, I'll have practiced and played and show you some fun stuff that I made with my watercolors. Okay, that's going to be it for me today. Appreciate each and every one of you that stopped by, and as usual, I hope you all have a wonderful and creative day. Bye for now.